So today I'm going to show you how to create animation video like this in Canva using your smartphone. If you have a laptop, you can still use it. First of all, open the new project. Now locate elements and search tower. I want you to click on Burj Khalifa. Now click this see all from photos here. Pick one of these pictures that you like. You mustn't use the one I'll pick. I'll pick this one. Drag it to fit as you please. I like it this way. Cancel the tower and search road. Pick this road. Drag it down and place it here. Duplicate it with this plus. Move it here. Align it very well. Search delivery bike. I like this. And place it back here. Keep it selected and locate Animate down here. Scroll right till you see create. Click on that. Now with your hand, move the bike man along the road in a straight line. Select steady. Click done. Go back to your elements. Let me choose a different color, maybe green. Reduce the size. Now come to flip and flip it horizontally. Send it to this end. Now locate this animate and look for create along here. Now move the bike man along the road in a straight line. Click steady. Then done. Now let's bring street light. Search street light. I think I like this one. Increase the size to something like this. Duplicate it. Move it here. Now duplicate again. If you are done, click on this arrow. Go on and click download. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe for more videos like this.